Bullish torrential slide cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $48.07 and $104.70 by 2030. Market experts accept AVAX could reach $48.07 by 2025. Bearish torrential slide market cost expectation for 2022 is $8.55. Torrential slide presentation. Torrential slide was made to resolve the issues of versatility and exchange speed that have tormented Ethereum. It is one of a handful of the blockchain stages that considers genuinely decentralized applications, as well as custom blockchain networks. Its high exchange result of up to 6,500 exchanges each second makes it a suitable contender to Ethereum. Torrential slide was established by 3 Ph.D. moves on from Cornell College. The torrential slide convention depends on research directed by the group while at Cornell. The group accepts that they have tracked down an answer for the blockchain trilemma. The issue of how to at the same time accomplish versatility, security, and decentralization. What is torrential slide? Torrential slide is a layer 1 blockchain that fills in as an establishment for circulated applications and private blockchain networks. One of Ethereum's rivals looks to expel Ethereum as the most generally utilized blockchain for shrewd agreement, while keeping up with versatility. It plans to do this by having a bigger exchange result of up to 6,500 exchanges each second. Torrential slide central investigation. Torrential slide is a cutting-edge stage for decentralized finance and installments. Its primary point is to make these exchanges safer, productive, and available to everybody. The torrential slide network is based on 3 support points: security, soundness, and decentralization. It utilizes state-of-the-art advances, for example, agreement conventions and cryptography to accomplish its objectives. Up to this point, the stage has been extremely fruitful in drawing in clients and designers. As a matter of fact, it is one of the quickest developing DeFi stages with more than $5 billion worth of resources secured in its brilliant agreement. There are a few justifications for why torrential slide could be a wise speculation. First, the group behind the undertaking is extremely capable and has areas of strength for a record in the business. Second, the stage is continually developing and adding new highlights that make it more appealing to clients. Third, torrential slide areas of strength for has with probably the greatest names in the crypto space, which provides it with a ton of perceivability and dependability. The torrential slide network utilizes an agreement calculation called Snowman, which depends on the unified Byzantine understanding. FBA is a kind of agreement calculation that considers trustless and non-concurrent correspondence between hubs in an organization. It is additionally impervious to civil assaults, implying that it is safer than different conventions like confirmation of work and evidence of stake. Torrential slide likewise has a novel component called virtual chains, which considers every hub in the organization to run its own blockchain, free of the others. This implies that every hub can tweak its settings and rules without influencing the remainder of the organization. This makes torrential slide more adaptable and versatile than other blockchains, since every hub isn't restricted by the standards of the whole organization. Torrential slide current cost. Torrential slide is as of now worth $10.88 USD. AVAX has moved 2.55% as of now, with an exchanging volume of $87,710,901. Torrential slide is as of now position 19 among all cryptographic forms of money, with a market capitalization of $3,328,685,481 USD. Torrential slide value forecast 2023. In 2023, torrential slide AVAX cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the expected declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of a VAX will before long outperform $27.21. Be that as it may, we ought to hold back to check whether the AVAX's overall strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, AVAX will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $21.77 and a typical exchanging cost of $23.94. Torrential slide value expectation 2024. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $38.09 and AVAX might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. AVAX is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $34.83 and a low of $32.65 in 2024. Torrential slide value forecast 2025. In the event that torrential slide effectively supports market opinion among digital currency aficionados, the AVAX coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, AVAX will be green in 2025. The AVAX is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at $48.97, with a base cost of $43.53 and a typical cost of $45.71. Torrential Slide Value Forecast 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the AVAX cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $56.59 by 2026, with a base cost of $54.41 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, AVAX has a greatest value worth of $59.86. Torrential Slide Value Expectation 2027. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $67.47. In the event that a VAX figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a greatest cost of $70.74. Neglecting to accumulate the help AVAX needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $65.30. Torrential Slide Value Expectation 2028. While AVAX is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry connection, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $76.18 and a yearly cost close above $81.62 in 2028. Torrential Slide Value Expectation 2029. By 2029, Torrential Slide will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $87.06 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $92.50, averaging out at $89.24. Torrential Slide Value Forecast 2030. The digital currency market is known to be profoundly unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to estimate future sticker costs with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that digital money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the greatest AVAX cost in 2030 is projected to be $106.65 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $102.30. And, by and large, Torrential Slide appears to be an extremely encouraging task with a ton of possibilities. In the event that you're hoping to put resources into DEFI or digital currencies, as a rule, AVAX could be a decent choice for you. What is the Torrential Slide cost today? Today, Torrential Slide is exchanging at $10.88 with a complete market capitalization of $3,328,685,481. Is Torrential Slide a wise speculation? Torrential Slide ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space this previous year. In light of this, it is savvy to say that a VAX is a decent decision of venture. How high can Torrential Slide go? The typical cost of Torrential Slide might perhaps reach $15.24 this year. Over the course of the following 5 years, it is projected that Torrential Slide might outperform $70.74. What amount will Torrential Slide be worth in 5 years? In light of the rising promise